catch a boy and I know it to turn.
Only mother's little boy, you got me high blood pressure, let me heart attack me.
Oh, I had to shoot my way out. Both men were armed and dangerous.
Detective Sarge Hunter.
Excuse me, me never get your name.
They making my son look like a gunman. He never hold a gun in his life. You mad? And stay away. Before that, me broke him to a death. We can't trust the police, Sarge.
Not to come.
Imprint and everything you get on it. As far as I can tell, it's an open and closed case.
Nothing will stop the delivery of them trucks. The man there move like him a top cop. I know how to handle the detective contract.
Lord Jesus!
Are you a talk to me squad about my boy? I'm going to show you how we do it in farmer. Me hear through the grapevine, see you reopen the Tafia case.
Grapevine one cut.
So what? You don't trust my report?
I don't know if I can trust you, you know.
Deal, me I can show you so you can trust me. You have the gift of sight, detective.
Look like we always a buck up one away. Now a year time to get shelled down, top cop.
You out of luck.
You kill an innocent youth and put on a gun on him. For that you go down.
Well, like you always have one like your name, perfection. Me go change that.
Chat, you come for chat. Do what you have, my gun just a beg for back. No!